Omnes. This is Magister Cobb. In this video, we're going to talk about the future tense, how to conjugate and translate verbs in Latin in the future tense. If you remember from our sound-off facts, we know that sound-off fact number 7, tense is time. It tells us when the action occurred. There are 3 divisions of time. We have what's happened already, the past, what's happening now, the present, and what is yet to occur, the future. In English, we have 14 different tenses to show these 3 different divisions. In Latin, there are 6. So far, we've covered 2 Latin tenses, the present tense, which is used to express action happening now, the imperfect tense, which is used to express some action that occurred in the past, but it's incomplete or is still ongoing, and in this video, we will talk about utilizing the future tense. The future tense will describe that which is yet to occur. So let's take a look at an example in English. We will have a picnic after the storm ends. So as you can see, the picnic hasn't occurred yet. It's not happening now. It's going to happen at the conclusion of some future event. Now, if I want to conjugate in the future tense, the steps are very similar to conjugating in the imperfect tense. First of all, we totally disregard the first form. That first form is first person singular present tense, and it is only used in the first person singular present tense indicative mood active voice. We find our verb stem by going to our second principal part, the infinitive, and we chop off the RE. What's left is our verb stem. We take the verb stem, we fill out our chart, and you notice that our macron pattern, the stem vowel is macroned all the way through, unlike the present tense. That is different. After we get our verb stem in all parts, we add our endings. Amabo, amabis, amabit, amabimus, amabitus, amabunt. Now, if I want to do something in the second conjugation, the steps are the same. Again, we disregard the first form. Again, we get our stem by going to the second form, chopping off the RE. But notice the difference here. Since this is a second conjugation verb, the stem vowel has an E as opposed to an A. We fill out our chart, and again, our stem vowel is macroned all the way through. We add our endings. We got the bo to the bis to the bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. Now, let's look at translating. So if I want to translate in the future tense, I will either say will verb, which is the simple future tense, or will be verbing, which is called the future progressive. We don't see that used very frequently, but it may occur from time to time, so just know that it is an option. So, for amabo, amabis, amabit, amabimus, amabitus, amabunt is translated as I will love, you will love, he, she, or it will love, we will love, y'all will love, they will love. Notice in the first person only, you can substitute shall for will. It is sometimes done for second and third person, but it's my understanding that is an inaccurate use of the word shall. My understanding is shall is only supposed to be first person. If you want to just go will all the way, you don't have to worry about that being a problem. Our second conjugation verb is the same. As you can see, it's I will see, you will see, he, she, or it will see, we will see, y'all will see, they will see. And like with the other, you can swap out the will for shall and first person only. So that's an overview of the future tense, how to conjugate in the future tense and translate. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much, and have a great day.